Fuck this. I did not come to Hawaii to spend my time in the mountains, motherfucker. Let's go.
So back at SeaTac again, home away from home. Supposed to go to Lahui tonight, but first I gotta find my buddy Heath.
Oh, sexy stuff.
How you doing, honey?
How you doing?
Buy you a beer?
Let's get in a Jeep, get to my damn hotel. Let's go.
I'm just walking, man. I mean, there's still airlines, so I assume it's down here somewhere. So we just landed at Hui, finally. It took 24 hours to get here. 24 extra hours. I think this is the most I've seen Heath fired up in a long time.
Just wait to get his damn shoes off. Jeans and shoes off. White car, and all I saw was white cars.
Oh, right here, yeah.
B.
Correct. B14.
Come to Hawaii to spend my time in the mountains, motherfucker. Let's go.
This is Waimea Canyon right here. Not sure if you can hear me, there's so much wind. This has got to be one of the more beautiful things I've ever seen.
Let's go play in the hurricane.
Sounds good. Back down to the rain shadow. What's amazing, we just came from Waimea. Here, let me get this rain out. We just came from Waimea, just down the hill. Total rain shadow, no rain, 75, 80 degrees. We go up the hill 5 miles and we get this. Beautiful.
Yeah. Right, you did a couple steps here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be extra careful, especially after this morning. Ah, there we go. We were leaving the condo this morning and took a little spill. The stairs were, let's say, beyond slick. Both feet out from under me. Wham! Right on my side. It's going to be okay though.
Yeah, Jeepy Jeep. Oh, this third is
Good thing we got a Jeep for this one. I think we found our spot. Let's take a look at this. didn't actually know this coming in, but on the island of Kauai, there are a whole bunch of wild roosters just hanging out, making noise, even in grocery store parking lots. They're everywhere, on the side of the road, parking lots. They don't seem to care. Heading home today, unfortunately. Haven't been here that long, only a couple of days, but these roosters are everywhere. Excellent service, thank you.
Thank you. Take
Great
care now.
service, thank you. Home again.
Is your flight good?
What's that?
Is your flight?
That was a great trip, great trip. I think Keith had a good time too. We were on the island of Kauai for a whole, I think like 36, 37 hours, so it was quick, but it was beautiful. As always, glad to be home back in the Seattle area. It's like 50 degrees, a lot, it was 80 when we left. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.